question. Welcome to our channel. I'm going to explain my tool toys. Let me start first. Let's go. This is called a motor oil. It's for putting oil when vehicles are running out of oil. So we have to put oil when oil is full. It is inside. We cannot open. It's okay. We can put like this. Watch. Oh, did you see that, guys? The oil is full, so the car can go again. The oil is now full. There is no gas. Only oil is there. Look that side. Wow. You see? This is called a pressure jar. This is straight and this is curvy. Wow. This is cool. This is called an axe. It can cut stronger than knife. Shh. This is called a hammer if we tap. I have an idea. Look at this. This is called a hammer place we can tap. Watch. Wow, did you see that? When I tap this, it comes down and lower. It will not get upper. It will get lower. I think low. What is that lower? Lower means it can be down. Watch this. Whoa, that is awesome. Okay, always keep exploring. Whoa, look at this. This is called a screwdriver. For screwing only, we can screw it. For screwing things that which has nail or drilling things that which has screws. Wow, screwing is a lot of fun. Like this one, look down. That we have to screw. And the door and then the engine, and we can screw it. Okay. Do you all like my tool set? That was so much fun learning about toys and tool set. Well, this is the end of this video. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell button.